Hey Roblox fans, if you've ever been in the middle of joining a game and suddenly see error code 279, you know it's annoying. So let us fix this in this video. So firstly guys, let us talk about the obvious fixes. First thing, make sure you've got a stable connection. I have fixed this before simply by switching from Wi-Fi to Ethernet or resetting my router. Also wired connection is the best. Then, disable browser extensions. If you play Roblox on a browser, extensions like ad blockers or script blockers can mess with the connection. So just go to your extensions, and as you can see, we have these little ticks, these buttons. Just make sure to run through them and disable them, alright? After that, guys, you need to allow Roblox through your firewall. Let me show you how. Alright, so you go to the Windows Defender firewall, and you in here choose allow an app or feature through the Defender firewall. And in here, guys, basically find Roblox if you have it, or if you don't, you need to change settings and then press allow another app, all right? And then just navigate where you have the executable for Roblox, choose it and tick both buttons, private and public, and then you're done. After that, guys, press Ctrl-Shift-Delete in your browser and make sure to delete your cookies, browser, and cached items and images. Press on delete data. And after that, also press Windows R. And in here, just go to the app data. And in here, choose Roblox. Okay. And go here. In here, search for cache. And delete all of this cache. Also guys, last fixes, you can also try using a different browser if you're having issues with this one. For example, you can use Firefox, Brave, or Opera, something like this. And that's it. These are the same steps I've used to fix Roblox error 279 when I've run into it. Guys, if this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.